Hi all. In this video, I am going to demonstrate a custom activity which is used to check whether a specified folder exists or not. And in case the folder does not exist, the custom activity will create the folder to your account. So going to the custom activity input parameters, we have two values or input parameters here. First one is the email ID and corresponding to which you have to enter the email address for which you want to check the folder or folder path. And the second one is folder path and you have to provide the complete folder name or folder path here. And in the output, we have the execution status and it will return a boolean variable based on the execution of the custom activity. So let me go to the Outlook. As you can see in the Outlook, two email IDs are configured in the Outlook right now. And all these folders are the default folders. And now with the help of the custom activity, we are going to create some user defined folders in the Outlook accounts. So let me provide the email ID here. Now let's provide a folder path. So we will capture the execution status in a Boolean variable. And with the help of message box, we can capture the value of the text. So now I am going to run the bot for these values and let's see what happens. So as you can see, the overall status of the execution is successful. Hence the value was returned as true. And now going to the Outlook. As you can see, the folders have been created here. That is test1 and test2. So these two folders have been created corresponding to the email account that we have provided in the email ID parameter field. So now let's check this for the second email account. So let me add one more subfolder to the given path. So now I am going to run the bot. So in this scenario also the overall execution of the status is successful. And now let's go to the Outlook. So as you can see, the folders have been created corresponding to this email ID only. This is test1, test2, and test3. So now let's take a scenario where the provided email ID does not exist in our account. So now I will run the bot for this email ID and see what happens. So as you can see, the activity has thrown an error, that is email account not found. So in case we try to run the bot with the email ID that is not configured in our Outlook, the bot will just throw an exception stating email account not found. So this was the overall demonstration of the custom activity. Request you all to kindly use it and do provide your feedback. Thank you.